All right. Come on, people. I'm still doing it. Yeah. Catch. 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 Come on, people. Hold up, hold up. Everyone help me out. For the grand finale, can you raise your hands up in the air like this? Everyone, hands up. If you don't do it, I'm going to kiss you with the tongue. Please don't make me do it, sir. Hands up. Everybody, one big clap. That was great individually. Come on, work as a team, folks. All together, one big clap. In a rhythm. That's it. All right, keep it up. Don't stop. Ready, guys? Why are you speeding up? You're making me nervous. All right, come on. I'm gonna take a running start. I'm not sure what you were expecting. Okay, guys on the ropes, from now on, my life's in your hands. So you have to watch me. If it looks like I'm falling on you, I am. If you see me point at you, pull the rope just 1 inch. If you see me do this, loosen the rope just 1 inch, all right? Excuse me, sir. All right, just don't look up. It's laundry day. Pull this rope a little. That's good. Pull that one a little. I'm going up. Ow. Hashtag moose knuckle. All right, pull this one. Stop, stop. Pull this one. Stop. All right, just be very gentle on the ropes, guys. I'm standing up here now. It didn't look this big on the internet. This is my impression of a really bad Christmas tree. Are you ready? Come a little closer. I want you to throw me ball number 1 right to my hand on the count of 3. Just do whatever you want. Number 2, go for it. My fault. I picked you. Number 3, number 4, and don't worry, I'll get that one. Thanks. Last one, you deserve a big clap for this one. Yeah. Pull this a little, sir. Pull this a little. All right. Can you pick that up for me? I want you to hold it up above your head. I want you to show it to the audience. Folks, I'm going to finish this show with my very best trick, with the helicopter and the racket. Before I do that, this is my second best trick. 5 balls, 12 feet high. I know it's not much, but you can't do it. Pull the back rope 1 inch. That's good, hold it right there. Second last trick. Thank you. I'm kidding. Here we go. 5 balls, 5 times the volume. Come on. Wait, check this out. My impression of giraffe. You're sick, but I like you. All right, can you bring it over now? This is it, folks. I've saved the best till last. Just give me the blunt end. It's a joke. Excellent. Let go. step back. I couldn't have done this without Mariana, ladies and gentlemen. Let's give her the biggest round of applause yet. You take a seat. Thank you so much. Let me get my balance. All right, folks, this brings me to the end. Sadly, it is time to finish. I just want to thank every single person who stopped to watch my little show here today, because without an audience, I can't do my dream job. So thank you very much. My name's Al Miller. I come all the way from Sydney, Australia, and I started performing when I was just 17 years old. And now here I am, 19 years old. Before this pandemic, I had an international career in entertainment, but that's been on hold for almost 2 years now, so I've come back to my roots as a street performer, because I think that this is honest work. You get paid what you're worth by the people that watch and enjoy the show. Yeah, not that funny now, is it? If you've enjoyed the show, make some noise now. Thank you. All I ask from each of you is a small contribution. Most people put in $400. Maybe not. But maybe for a life-threatening stunt, a 10 or a 20 would be a fair ticket price. Make some noise if you agree with that. That's not everyone. Look, I know not everyone can afford a 20, but some of you definitely can. And it would mean the world to me, because if I don't make enough to fly back to Australia, I'll have to stay here and marry one of your daughters. So be honest. And if you don't have any cash, don't worry. I have Venmo and PayPal. If you need to use it, just visit this sign over here after the show. You guys on the ropes? Don't move. You two guys on the pole? I count to 3. I want you to let go and back away slowly. 1, 2, 3. All right, don't leave yet. If you leave, I can't get down. Just one more step back. I'm not very good. Pull the back rope 1 inch. That's good. Hold it there. Hold it right there, guys. Help me out, folks. I've given you my show, every ounce of my energy. Now, I give you my best. Give me your best as well, St. Pete's. Come on. Everyone, together in a rhythm. Let's do it. Come on.